Okay. Do you hear me now?
Isaac is a little bit stronger than it was yesterday at this time now, maximum sustained winds of 60 miles per hour. It is moving a little bit more north of west than it had been previously in the process of making a gradual turn, which will take it over some portion of Haiti and then some portions of Cuba. Watches and warnings could be issued for the southernmost portions of Florida as early as later today. And those watches and warnings could be extended northward during the weekend, but we're not really going to know exactly what we're dealing with until it emerges somewhere north of Cuba to see if there's an inner core left, and we'll have a much better idea at that point how long it might take before it is able to significantly re-strengthen. But something is coming north of Cuba over the weekend, and it's going to be large enough to have effects even if the center doesn't pass right over you. It's in the process of making this turn to the northwest, but we don't know exactly what portions of Cuba it might go over. A lot of possibilities here. So there's a lot of warm water on both sides of Cuba, but look how large Cuba and Hispaniola are. A lot of land between where it is now and where it's generally headed toward Florida and the southeastern U.S. Sometime late in the weekend, it will emerge somewhere north of Cuba. And we don't know exactly where and don't know exactly what structure or intensity it will have at that point. From that point forward, it will be moving into an area that's very vulnerable to storm surge. The waters are very warm to fuel the storm. The waters are very shallow, so plenty of opportunity for storm surge to affect some of those areas near the coastline.
Application to become a Red Cross volunteer. In the meantime, on either